You have only 1 hour to answer your essay questions. In the CMA examination, you will be having 100 MCQs and 2 essay questions. Now, in this video, I'm going to share few tips and tricks and how the essay questions are going to be asked in your CMA examination. So if this is of your interest and you would want to know more about it, then make sure that you watch this video till the end. So once you are done with your multiple choice questions, like 100 questions will be there in the MCQ section. Out of those 100 questions, if you are at least 50% or above, then you can move towards your essay questions. If you are not 50% or above in your MCQ section, then you are not going to move towards the essay questions. Your result will be declared then and there that you did not qualify for the next level. So there is a misconception that if you just qualify your, if you proceed towards your essay questions, if essay questions are popped up, and you'll be really happy that okay, I have done my MCQ questions at the very best level, so it is just the essay questions remaining. It is not like that. To know about that, you need to watch this video till the end. So once your essays have popped up, you have 2 essay questions and you have 1 hour to give this essay questions, this particular answers towards these essay questions. Now these essay questions are going to be a case scenario. There will be a case scenario. Out of that, there will be 5 questions asked out of that particular scenario. 5-6 questions, it depends on how the case is, and you should be answering to each of the sub question which is being asked to you. Most of the times they will be related towards the particular case, and sometimes they will also be general questions, that what exactly is flexible budgeting, or what exactly is CVP analysis, what will be the CVP analysis of this particular product. So that will be asked. Now the question which comes in that, sir, is there chances that there will be repeated questions? No, always there will be a kind of a unique question only in your CMA examination. Repeated questions, I see that what questions came in your essays, is that going to be coming in my essays also? Don't go with that predictions, you will always go wrong with that. Just go independent with preparation. The next question is, from where, which sections, which chapters can we expect the essay questions? So the answer is clear here, that you can get essay question from anywhere from the material. Okay, it is not relevant like theoretical questions, theoretical chapter like ethics. If you read risk management, if you read, there are chances that you may get essay questions from that. It is not at all like that. You can get essay questions from any chapter. You should be prepared in a comprehensive way with the complete material as you're preparing for your MCQs. In the same manner you prepare for this also. The only thing is, you need to write down this answer. You need to type down this answer for 2 to 3 lines, or maybe 4-5 lines depending upon the question. There is no pages of pages you need to write for a single particular subsection question. See, you're going to get 4-5 questions. Each question, just answer it to the specific 4-5 lines, and then you'll be done. You'll be able to do it in an hour. But if suppose you don't practice enough, then that 1 hour will also be very less for you. Now there's a doubt that where are we going to write down this answer? See, there will be a kind of a notepad, beside that question which you have, you would be writing in that only. Is there an Excel sheet there? There is no Excel sheet there. Will you have time value table available for you? Yes, you'll have time value table available for you. You can use that calculations for it. But Excel sheet is not available. It will be kind of a notepad. Sir, copy paste is available. See, you can copy something from the question and put it in your, from the case scenario which is there, you can put it in your notepad. That is always possible. And if suppose you have written an answer and you need it again for the next one also, then again you can copy paste it in that. But you cannot open any other window while you're giving that examination. So within the question, copy paste, it's always possible. But try writing it down, try explaining in the most best manner, so that you showcase that you have that knowledge, you have that skills to the examiner who is going to evaluate your paper. And also try being to the point of what the question is asked. Don't try to just elaborate it, exaggerate the answer just for the sake of answering it long. Don't do that. Be to the point, specific. Make sure that you answer it correctly, or you satisfy the examiner that okay, this is how the answer can be for this. Okay, and also understand that you will be having 3 hours for your MCQs and 1 hour for your essay questions. So Don't just rush in your MCQs, that try completing MCQs early so that we'll get more time for essays. Don't do that. Understand this, the MCQ part is much more important than the essay questions. If you have to ask me, then I would say that, see, essays is something like, it is almost the similar way which you study. The best tip which I can give to you is that don't have a separate study plan for essays. Read concepts, understand case scenarios, how you do it in your MCQ questions. In the same manner, you're going to get a question in the essays also. You just need to elaborate it. I would suggest you that there are many materials available online. Many course providers are there who provide their material. In their material, they have some essay review questions also. Go through those questions. There will be answers, suggested answers also. Try doing that. If you want me to take up few essay questions and solve it in a video and put it over YouTube, then put down that you want that in the comment section, then I will be doing that also. Now there's a serious question regarding that, how many marks are these essays containing? So let me just tell you, the overall CMA examination is being weighted with 500 points. So each MCQ also which we get, you are having 100 MCQs. Each MCQ is going to be 1 mark or more, that is also not certain. The CMA examining grading process is highly confidential, and everyone around the internet are giving in their own views about that, how the examination grading is happening. So what I would suggest you is that just go with 100% preparation. Try to give your 100% effort. It has been said that in the most best educational guess, we can say that 75% weightage is taken from the MCQs and 25% weightage is taken from the essay questions. That is said, but still I would suggest you that just given your 100%. There is also a question that, sir, if I get maximum marks in my MCQs and I don't get good marks in my essays, can I pass? Yes, you can pass. But why do you want to get into a situation like this? Why do you want to talk also about it? Just give your 100%. Just think about this question, that I may get 96 out of 100, and if I get 0 out of essay questions, will I pass? First of all, why does this question come also? If you are getting 96 out of 100 in MCQs, why will you get 0 in your essays? Why do you want to leave it? Just type it down, just answer it in a more specific manner, which you can say your point of view about it according to the references from the material which you can give, the concepts which you have learned. If you just explain it in a short detailed format specific towards the question, your answers will be done. You will be able to qualify for your CMA examination. That how it is going to happen. I hope that this video is highly helpful for you who's going to give their CMA examination. If you want me to make a video on solving these essay questions, then put it down in the comment section. I'll do that. And if suppose you found value from this, then share this video with those CMA aspiring students who are preparing for the examination and giving their examinations soon. And if you want to reach out to me, then my number is given in the description below, just for your just to give you a proper response. Make sure that you WhatsApp me. Don't call me. I'll not be able to take calls. I'll be there busy in classes or shooting this video. Make sure that you WhatsApp me. Okay, just WhatsApp me and we'll be in touch with you. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.